Good afternoon, everyone. I am Judge Jennifer Dorow. As you've heard, I work here in Waukesha County. I preside over Branch 2. In 2003, the great people of the state of Wisconsin elected a conservative jurist by the name of Patience Roggensack to the Wisconsin Supreme Court. Over the course of the last 20 years, Justice Roggensack has provided consistent and reliable leadership as a jurist dedicated to the rule of law. Justice Roggensack's decision to retire leaves behind a legacy of excellence and large shoes to fill. The citizens of Wisconsin will once again be asked to decide who will sit on the state's highest court. It will undoubtedly be one of the most important elections for Wisconsin in recent history. We must replace Justice Roggensack with a judicial conservative who will fairly and faithfully apply the law as written to the facts of the cases that come before the court. I love Wisconsin, and I care very deeply about the future of this state. I've been put to the test as a trial judge in a way that separates me from others. Over the course of almost 11 years on the bench, I've also been selected by my peers to serve as presiding judge here in Waukesha County and as chief judge of the 3rd Judicial District, and as Justice Wilcox told you, currently serving as the chair of the Committee of Chief Judges, or what we affectionately say as chief of the chiefs among the judiciary. Couple that with my years of experience as a prosecutor and private practice attorney, and I have the experience to hit the ground running on the state's highest court. I am a judicial conservative who believes it is the job of a judge to apply the law as it is written to the facts of a case, and not try and bend the Constitution and statutes to what I would like them to say. I am proud that I have spent most of my adult life working in the criminal justice system. Public safety and the rule of law are very important to me, both on a professional level and personally. After all, I am married to a cop. Over the course of the last month, I have been overwhelmed by the tremendous encouragement to run for the Supreme Court. It really is an honor, and I would not have thought about it at this time had it not been for so many people asking me to run. After my trial responsibilities settled down, I sat down with my family and close friends. After many discussions and a lot of prayer, I reached the conclusion that now is the right time for me and my family to pursue what I hope will be the next chapter of my judicial career. So today, I am excited to officially announce my candidacy for the Wisconsin Supreme Court. If you know me at all, I do wear my emotions on my sleeve, and it's just so overwhelming to be here today. I'm running as a judicial conservative to carry on the legacy of a judicial giant and someone I respect and admire, and that's Justice Patience Roggensack. At this time, I'd like to ask my husband, Brian Dorow, to join me at the podium. I have 2 of my kids here, if they want to join me as well. I would be remiss if I did not publicly thank him for his love, his support, his encouragement, and his never-ending energy. He is my motivation and my inspiration. And without his support, I would not be at this podium today. Thank you, dear. I love you. To my parents who are here as well, they're seated over here. I'm not sure if my mother-in-law was able to make it, but to them I owe such a debt of gratitude for always supporting me, always showing me love and support, and for the many friends and family who are here today. And of course, to my children, I have my daughter Kiki, my son Michael, our son Jonathan is at school and he could not be here today, but they are my inspiration in so many ways, including my decision to run for the state's highest court. I want my children and all of Wisconsin's young people to live in a safe, prosperous state where the rule of law and respect of the Constitution are part of our core values. So today, I ask all of you for your support and your vote in first the primary on February 21st, and then again in the general election on April 4th. Please give me the privilege of serving the citizens of this great state of Wisconsin as Wisconsin's next Supreme Court Justice. Thank you.